everyone, Tessa here. So I just want to let you know about this microwave oven. Just got it yesterday, and my first impression was that I just love how small it is, and it really is a space saver. And then I thought to myself, oh, I hope that a standard sized dinner plate can fit inside. So when I opened it up for the first time, I thought, uh-oh, I wonder if a dinner plate's going to fit in there. And so it does. Here's a standard sized dinner plate, and I'm just going to demonstrate just nuking some butter right now, and we'll see how it goes. So we just close it, and I guess I'll just hit the 30 seconds here. One of my favorite things I have every morning is overnight oats, and I had that this morning for the first time with my brand new microwave oven. And just want to let you know that this microwave oven performs perfectly, exactly like the last one I had. It would take me 2 minutes to nuke my overnight oats, and this was the same. So as you see there, it says lock, so you just have to see it says there, door open, and then you just pull, and it opens, and there we go. Take a look and see how, oh yeah, nice and soft. All right, so that took a minute to completely melt it. So far, so good. I am loving this microwave oven.